Chapter 2. The ITIL Service Life Cycle. The 5 main publications of ITIL are known as the ITIL Core. Each of these publications correspond to a phase of what's known collectively as the ITIL Service Life Cycle, which is a 5-phase approach to implementing new or improving existing IT services for the purpose of business adaptation and growth. The ITIL Service Life Cycle is applicable to all types of organizations that provide service to a business. To supplement the ITIL Core, a complementary set of publications, known as the ITIL Complementary Guidance, offers specialized instruction for specific sectors, industries, organization types, operating models, and technology architectures. The first phase of the ITIL Service Lifecycle is Service Strategy, in which ITSM assesses where and how to deploy resources to meet business needs. Considerations immediately align the ITSM approach with overall business objectives. Among these considerations are cost, efficiency, and desired performance. In the Service Strategy phase of the ITIL Service Lifecycle, ITSM is immediately propelled beyond the confines of technology and becomes connected with the objectives of the end user, the customer. The second phase of the ITIL Service Lifecycle is Service Design. In this phase, ITSM begins to translate the customer needs identified in the Service Strategy section into a sensible and effective approach using the various resources on hand. Service Design aims at providing high-quality, cost-effective service along with effective and efficient service management processes, all of which conforming to relevant standards and regulations. The processes identified in the Service Design phase should be sustainable and should provide value to customers throughout the life cycle. The third phase of the ITIL Service Lifecycle is Service Transition. This is the first hands-on, real-time application phase of the life cycle, in which the objectives identified in the Service Strategy phase and subsequent approaches created in the Service Design phase are put into action. It's called Service Transition because in most cases, ITSM will not be creating a new service out of thin air, but will be revising or replacing an existing service. The new service or services will be transitioned into operation as a result. It's important for ITSM to consider the ramifications of and containment strategies for possible disruption of services. Also to be considered in this phase is a contingency plan for service failure. What if a key component was overlooked by ITSM during the service design phase? Will the customer's data be secure? Will their systems still function? Service Transition qualifies and responds to these risks.